Now, as Kenya targets higher revenues from its expanding aviation sector, safety concerns surrounding flights operating over near-conflict zones are gaining increased attention. Kenya Civil Aviation Authority's Director of Aviation Safety and Security Regulations, Mary Keter, says policy changes are needed to prioritize risk assessment and preparedness to ensure growth doesn't compromise passenger safety or business continuity.
Longer distances, that is a lot of fuel on the aircraft. You can imagine how costly this is. Also changing the routes, you disadvantage the passengers, their schedules.
There hasn't been more conflicts in the world since World War II. So we are at basically the most conflicts since World War II, which is obviously as we travel all over the world, in every airspace, which basically brings its sets of issues and risk and threats.
Rolling to glory. Team Kenya remains unstoppable at the Junior World Cup in Kasarani. Details next.
Makofi at the world champion baby.